Hello, what's up, guys? 9 November. Today, Major Puzzle Durop is first of all click on play button, and first card is our 2, and second card is our 4, and third number card. Please subscribe my channel for new update all cryptocurrency. third number card is our third number card is our 8, and last card, please subscribe my channel. Last card is our 16, and check and active bonus. Please subscribe my channel for all new cryptocurrency news and active. Now major listing on today 6 p.m. All guys collecting all earned point and win big airdrop.